Welcome to a new 360 degrees a day. This is a little test I'm doing on my balcony, so let's check it out if this works. So we're gonna be a drone now. Yoo-hoo! Can you still see me? Hello! Can you still hear me? Hello! I'm a little bit worried when I do this, but I can stick you out all over in the street. We can fly around like a bird, and we can even check out the neighbours' balcony. Woohoo! You will not have it. There, we can look in the next window. Anyway, we can even look downstairs. But we're not going to do that. This is a little tryout, and I should use this more often to make to make normal 4K videos. So I want to say thank you for watching. This was a nice little tryout. You can see my little Kardashians plants, the in memory of Robert plant. Here's the grass, and here's a dead rose bush, but I'm sure next year it's going to be fine. On the other side of the street we have that incredible green balcony. So thank you for watching and see you all soon. Bye!